Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 20 amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon that'll totally upgrade your cooking game. From next-gen choppers to mind-blowing peelers, these tools make life faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun. So grab your snacks, stay tuned till the end, and discover which gadget your kitchen can't live without. Let's jump right in. TrendPlain Oil Sprayer, 16 ounces. Tired of over-pouring oil and ending up with greasy meals? Say hello to the TrendPlain Oil Sprayer. This sleek 16-ounce glass bottle delivers the perfect mist every time. Ideal for salads, grilling, baking, and air frying. With its ergonomic pump and clog-resistant nozzle, you'll coat your food evenly without the mess. Plus, it's eco-friendly and refillable, helping you cut down on waste. Cook smarter, not oilier. Number 2. Twist Chicken Shredder. Struggling to shred chicken with forks or your hands? The Twist Chicken Shredder makes it effortless. Just place your cooked meat in usai, twist the lid, and watch it shred perfectly in seconds. Made from durable BPA-free plastic, it's dishwasher safe and ideal for chicken, pork, or beef. No more sore wrists or messy counters, just fluffy, restaurant-style shredded meat ready for tacos, salads, or sandwiches. Number 3. MaNhiBeiBei Grinder Set. Salt and pepper are the foundation of flavor, but uneven grinding ruins the magic. The MaNhiBeiBei Grinder Set fixes that with adjustable ceramic blades for perfect seasoning every time. Crafted from premium stainless steel and glass, these grinders look stunning on any counter. Just twist to choose fine or coarse grains. Freshly ground aromatic spices instantly elevate your cooking game. Sleek, stylish, and essential. Number 4. Starfrit Electric Peeler. Hate peeling potatoes and apples by hand? Meet the Starfrit Electric Peeler, your new time-saving superhero. With a single button press, it peels fruits and veggies in seconds, using its ultra-sharp rotating blade. No mess, no waste, no finger cuts. It even auto-adjusts to different shapes and sizes. Whether it's apples, cucumbers, or potatoes, this gadget peels perfectly every time. Your prep time just got sliced in half. Number 5. Joined Salad Spinner. Soggy salad greens? Not anymore. The Joined Salad Spinner dries your veggies lightning fast. Just spin, stop, and serve fresh, crisp greens every single time. Built from BPA-free plastic with a sturdy handle and non-slip base, it's durable and super easy to use. Plus, it doubles as a serving bowl. Keep your lettuce crunchy, your dressing even, and your salads restaurant perfect. Number 6. hoforife Oil Sprayer. Oily pans and wasted olive oil driving you nuts? The hoforife Oil Sprayer lets you mist just the right amount. Made from thick glass and stainless steel, it's built to last. The fine spray evenly coats your food or cookware. Perfect for air fryers, grills, and baking sheets. It's refillable, easy to clean, and looks great on your counter. Healthy cooking just got easier and greener. Number 7. Motion Sensor Light Tube. PK, ever fumbled around the kitchen at night? These motion sensor lights turn on automatically when you walk by. This 2-pack set features rechargeable LEDs that sense movement in the dark. No switches needed. Stick them under cabinets, in pantries, or by the fridge for instant illumination. Energy efficient and magnetic, they pop off easily for charging. Say goodbye to midnight stumbles and hello to effortless lighting. Number 8. ZA Sink Strainer. Clogged drains ruining your day? The ZA Sink Strainer saves your sink in style. Made from premium stainless steel, its fine mesh traps every bit of food waste while letting water flow freely. Rust-resistant and easy to clean, this tiny gadget prevents big plumbing bills. Pop it in your drain and forget the mess. It's the unsung hero your kitchen sink deserves. Number 9. Mueller Veggie Chopper. Tired of crying over onions and slow chopping? The Mueller Veggie Chopper turns chaos into convenience with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. It dices, chops, and slices veggies in seconds. Everything lands neatly in the built-in container. No mess, no tears. Whether it's tomatoes, onions, or peppers, this gadget keeps your prep lightning fast. Cook like a pro and save serious time every meal. Number 10. ThermoMonster Thermometer. Overcooked steak? Undercooked chicken? Never again with the ThermoMonster Thermometer. This instant read digital gadget gives you perfect temps in seconds. The bright backlit display makes it easy to read even in low light. With waterproof design and auto shutoff, it's built to last. Whether you're grilling, baking, or frying, you'll hit that ideal doneness every time. Cook confidently, eat deliciously. Number 11. OXO Salad Spinner. Meet the classic that everyone loves, the OXO Salad Spinner. Its patented pump design and one-button brake make drying greens a breeze. Non-slip base, crystal clear bowl, and dishwasher-safe parts. It's convenience perfected. No cords, no stress, just spin and serve. Your lettuce, herbs, and berries will thank you. It's the gold standard of salad prep, and it never goes out of style. Number 12. Umite Chef Mixing Bowls. Messy baking sessions? Not with Umite Chef Mixing Bowls. This stainless steel set includes multiple sizes with non-slip silicone bases and airtight lids. From whisking batter to storing leftovers, they handle it all. Each bowl nests neatly inside the other to save space. Durable, stylish, and versatile, these bowls turn every kitchen task into a smooth, organized flow. Baking just got beautiful. Number 13. Magic Bullet Blender. Need smoothies in seconds? The Magic Bullet Blender delivers. This compact powerhouse chops, blends, and whips with ease. Perfect for shakes, sauces, and even grinding coffee beans. Just twist, blend, and go. The cups double as to-go mugs. Less cleanup, more convenience. Fast, fun, and incredibly efficient. It's the ultimate gadget for quick, healthy living. Number 14. AUOON Clip Strainer. Pouring pasta water without spilling noodles? Easy with the AUOON Clip Strainer. This silicone clip-on wonder fits any pot or pan. Heat-resistant and flexible, it drains water safely while keeping food in place. No bulky colander needed. Just clip, tilt, and strain. It's compact, clever, and dishwasher safe. A true kitchen space saver for every cook. Number 15. Ninja CREAMi Maker. Craving ice cream on demand? The Ninja CREAMi Maker lets you whip up frozen treats at home in minutes. Customize your dessert, ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or smoothie bowl with total control over texture and flavor. The powerful motor and smart preset modes make it foolproof. Fresh, creamy, and endlessly fun, this gadget brings dessert dreams to life. Number 16. Ecurfu Chip Clips. Tired of stale snacks? Seal the deal with Ecurfu Chip Clips. These strong, spring-loaded clips keep your chips, coffee, and cereal fresh for weeks. Made from durable stainless steel with rubber grips, they're built to last. Bright colors make them easy to spot in drawers. Stop wasting food and keep every crunch as fresh as day one. Number 17. Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. Craving crispy fries without the oil? The Ninja Crispi Air Fryer is your golden ticket. Its rapid heating system delivers perfectly crisp food using little to no oil. Large capacity, easy digital controls, and dishwasher-safe basket make it a dream machine. From fries to chicken wings, it's all guilt-free and delicious. Your favorite comfort foods, now healthier and faster. Number 18. KitchenAid Tenderizer. Tough meat, ruining dinner? Smash through it with the KitchenAid Tenderizer. Its dual-sided head, flat and textured, softens meat for juicier, faster cooking. Made from solid aluminum with a comfortable handle, it's balanced and easy to grip. Perfect for chicken, steak, or pork chops. More flavor, more tenderness, and way less effort. This little hammer means serious business. Number 19. Zulay Milk. Frother. Missing cafe-style coffee at home? The Zulay Milk Frother transforms your lattes and cappuccinos in seconds. Just press the button and watch creamy foam appear instantly. Stainless steel wand, powerful motor, and sleek stand. It's compact yet mighty. Works on milk, matcha, and even protein shakes. Bring the barista experience straight to your kitchen. Number 20. Zillervna Cheese Grater. Grating cheese shouldn't feel like a workout. The Zillervna Cheese Grater makes it smooth and effortless. With ultra-sharp stainless steel blades and a non-slip handle, it shreds cheese, chocolate, or veggies in seconds. The container base catches every bit. No mess, no waste. Freshly grated flavor, right where you need it. Simple, sharp, and oh so satisfying. And that wraps up our 20 amazing kitchen gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. Which one's going straight into your cart? See? Let us know below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more epic gadget finds every week. Until next time, keep cooking smart and keep exploring innovation. Ninta Mbisin.